What is the best t-shirt for print on demand? Let's find out. Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you're having a phenomenal week. If you're new here and maybe you don't know me, my name's Kerry and I'm the founder of Shirt School, and I created this channel to bring you the best strategies, secrets, and hacks to grow your online t-shirt, apparel, or print on demand business. In today's video, I'm gonna talk to you about some of the best options for t-shirt blanks for print on demand. Yes, there's quite a bit of difference between the fit, the price, the quality, the options that are available between t-shirts with your print on demand provider. So today, I wanna talk to you about 4 of my top options for print on demand and tell you what I believe is the best option for the t-shirt that you should choose for your brand with print on demand. Let's dive in. Before we talk about the specifics of the 4 t-shirts we're gonna break down today, I wanna tell you a quick story. When I was first starting out on my print on demand journey, I was using the cheap t-shirts that are available. You know the ones, the Gildan, the Hanes, and I noticed that I was getting a lot of complaints and getting a kind of a high rate of return on these t-shirts. So I emailed my print on demand provider and I said, hey, why is your print quality so bad? And the response I got back was kind of shocking and taught me some stuff, and I want to teach that to you. What they told me was that it wasn't that their print quality was bad, it was the quality of the cotton that I was using that was affecting the direct-to-garment printing. So what that means is when you use a lower priced t-shirts, a lot of times you're getting a lower quality of cotton in that t-shirt. And what that does is it affects the print quality when they actually print on the t-shirt. And they told me that if I tried a little bit higher quality t-shirt that I would get a better print. So instead of blaming my print on demand provider, I went ahead and tried a little bit higher priced t-shirt. I adjusted my pricing, and lo and behold, most, or if not all, of my complaints went away. So first lesson I want to give you when in considering the t-shirt that you want to use is that I want you to understand that choosing a slightly higher quality cotton t-shirt does improve the print quality on the t-shirt. The ink will look a little bit crisper, a little bit better if you select a slightly higher quality t-shirt. Okay, diving into what I believe is the top 4 t-shirt blanks that you should consider for your print on demand t-shirt business. We're starting off with the Next Level 3600. And I'm gonna go in order of most expensive down to the cheapest option that I would recommend. And I'm gonna tell you some of the pros and cons about each of these t-shirts. So first is the Next Level 3600. This is the highest priced t-shirt on the list. And by the way, these are all unisex t-shirts that I'm gonna be covering because I believe that's what most people will be selling, whether you're selling to women or men. Unisex t-shirts are what you're probably gonna be selling, and they're the most widely sold. So the Next Level 3600, this t-shirt's gonna come in with most print on demand providers somewhere in the $10 to $15 price point. It's gonna be the highest priced t-shirt on this list, but I do believe it is a very good option for a lot of people. It's gonna provide a pretty good fit. It's not too tight, not too loose. It has the softest cotton of anything on this list. And I believe it doesn't shrink a lot when you wash it. And overall, it's a really good option. Now, one of the cons of this t-shirt obviously is the price. It's gonna be the highest price. It's not a super expensive t-shirt. None of these on this list are a super expensive t-shirt, but it is the highest priced, again, coming in that $10 to $15 t-shirt price range with print on demand. But one of the drawbacks is they have a little bit lower color selection. So with most print on demand providers, you won't see a ton of color options. But if you're wanting to sell, if you have a premium brand, a more premium brand, this might be a t-shirt you want to consider if you're wanting something that's pretty high quality with still a decent price tag, has a good fit, and is going to hold up long term. I think the Next Level 3600 is a great option. Next up on the list is the Bella in Canvas 3001. Now, this is one of my favorite t-shirts. I talk about it a lot on the channel, and here are the reasons why. I'm wearing one right now. It fits pretty good. I think that this t-shirt is a good fit. Now it is slightly more on the fitted side. It's not a loose fitting t-shirt. I wear a size large and you can see it really grabs your arms. It is relatively kind of fitted around your body, but it's fairly soft. It's a comfortable t-shirt. I think the fit is pretty good. This is gonna come in somewhere in that $9 to $12, $13 price range. So about $9 to $13 with most print-on-demand providers. So it's gonna be a little bit less expensive in most cases than the Next Level 3600. that good fit, good quality. And one of the biggest pros of the Bella and Canvas 3001 is that with most print-on-demand providers, you're gonna see a very big color selection. Almost any color you're looking for, it's going to be available in the 3001. They also have a lot of heather colors. This is a heather black right here. They have a lot of heather colors. So I think overall, this is a great option. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, would you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos like this about t-shirts, print on demand, Shopify, online business every single Tuesday, and that'll make sure you don't miss out on any of the new content coming out. And also leave me a comment. Next up is the District, very important tee. This is the DT6000. Now, if you are looking for a budget t-shirt that still provides good quality, I think bar none, this is the best option. I've sold the District tee for a number of years, had relatively low complaints or returns on it, and it's also just one of my favorite t-shirts to wear. Now, in comparison to the Next Level or the Bella and Canvas, the cotton quality is, I would say, a little bit less, not quite as good as those two options, but I personally prefer the fit of the District tee over the Bella and Canvas or the Next Level. Now, I like my tees to fit a little bit looser, and the District tee has a little bit looser fit around the sleeves and just fits a little bit looser on the body. So if you have a brand that you're wanting to sell more of a looser fit, but still not too loose, I think it fits good, the District may be a really good option. This tee is gonna come in somewhere around $8 to $11 per t-shirt, so it's gonna be a little bit more budget friendly, and it has a relatively good color selection. It's not the biggest, it's not as big as the Bella and Canvas, but it's definitely not a small color selection. They do have quite a few colors available and even a few heather colors. So again, if you're looking for a budget friendly tee, you can even find this even cheaper than $8 on a lot of print on demand providers. If you're looking for a budget friendly tee with a looser fit, that still provides a relatively good quality cotton, I think the District, very important tee, is a great option. One more thing to add about the District tee is it's not widely available. So the Next Level tee, the Bella and Canvas tee, you'll pretty much be able to find. It's kind of they're kind of standards among all print on demand providers, or most. The District tee is going to be a little bit harder to find. There are a few print on demand providers that provide this tee, and if you can find it, I think it's a great option, but it won't be available everywhere. Lastly on our list, and the lowest price tee that I would recommend, is the Gildan Soft Style 64,000. Now, this t-shirt is, again, the lowest price on our list, and if you're looking for a cheap t-shirt but still gonna be good, relatively good quality, I think the Gildan's an okay option. It's not my favorite t-shirt in the world, but I do think it's a decent option for a lot of people. It is a step up above the really cheap Gildan tees and the Hanes tees, and it's a little bit softer. It gives you kind of that more premium soft feel, but at a very inexpensive price. Now, it's got a decent fit, a little bit looser than the Bella and Canvas or the Next Level. I think the fit of this is similar to the District tee, a little bit of a looser fit, decent quality, low price. This is gonna come in at around $7 to $10. Sometimes you can even get it a little bit cheaper. One of the cons of this t-shirt is, in my experience, it shrinks. So you're gonna get it, it might fit good, you might wash it once and it might not fit as well after that wash. And that's kind of the case with a lot of Gildan t-shirts. So I'm not a huge fan of this, but I think overall it's a decent t-shirt. And they have pretty good color selection. You'll find across print on demand providers that you'll find a decent amount of colors. Again, it's not gonna come in like the Bella and Canvas, not even as many options normally as the District tee, but you will find the basic colors available with most print on demand providers. In conclusion, and to crown a winner, now I wanna let you know, in my experience, the best t-shirt for most people wanting to start a print-on-demand business is the Bella and Canvas 3001 for a number of reasons. I have put multiple hundreds of thousands of sales through this Bella and Canvas t-shirt and have experienced almost no negativity, returns, or complaints. Now, I've had some, of course. You're going to have some returns or some complaints. You might have a bad print here or there. But as far as relation to the fit or how soft the t-shirt is, I have not seen many complaints, again, after putting hundreds of thousands of dollars through this one t-shirt and sales of this one t-shirt. And so overall, I think it's gonna provide the best quality, fit, and selection of colors for the price. I think it is the most total package of any of the t-shirts. And so it is my go-to blank. It's gonna give you those healthy margins with a lot of selection for your customer. And overall, they're going to be satisfied with how soft it is and how good it fits. So for most people, I think the Bella & Canvas 3001 is the ultimate t-shirt for print on demand. Hey, are you wanting to start and launch an online t-shirt business like in the next few days? Well, I want to let you know about our Launch Your Brand Challenge coming up on August 9th. So what it is it is a 5-day live event where I go live each day and teach you step by step how to start, build, and launch your very own online t-shirt or apparel business. It is one of the best things we do here at Shirt School, and we've had over 15,000 people take the challenge since June of 2020. This will be our 5th challenge we've ever done. And so I would love it if you register for the challenge, join us for those live streams. We'll teach you just about everything you need to know to start and launch your t-shirt brand in only 5 days. And all you have to do to get registered, this is completely free if I didn't mention that. Go over to kerryegler.com/LYB. It's a completely free 5-day challenge. We're also giving away a ton of giveaways, including 3 full lifetime memberships to our entire signature Shirt School program. And so we love it if you joined us. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'll be there every single day, showing up, hanging out, teaching you. So go over to kerryegler.com/LYB, and we'll see you next week.